Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how edit parameter ceiling material in Cloud. Okay, how to do that? Okay, we have added a new function in here. Okay, if you have observed, you can come to Cloud. Okay, Cloud here usually we have this one called ceiling, or finishing we have this one called ceiling. Okay, ceiling. Previous we have all the ceiling, we just need to drag only. However, now we have add one more function in here, parameterized ceiling. You can click it. Okay, here are the ceiling pattern you can choose. So you can just drag it and put on the area. So this one is the ceiling, and you can edit it. This one you can edit. You can change the number like this one. You can change like maybe I put this one maybe I put 200. 300 300. See, you can change the size. Okay, and the height you can change here also. The height follow the elevation. You see they are a bit different. Elevation, the height, and okay. Now we go inside. Go inside. Okay, and here you also can click on here. You can edit it. In the ceiling design function. Okay, you can click on it. So it just as a ceiling customize or a ceiling in the customer. You can double click on it, then you can edit it. Or the size, the pattern, the lighting, or okay. Same as the ceiling function. So this is the new function for this one called parameterized ceiling in here. Okay, you just choose the pattern you want. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.